Hello, and welcome to this baconbits video. Today we'll be discussing the MDM settings table. The MDM settings table, under settings/MDM, is a collection of all the configuration profiles that are assigned to devices when they join your MDM bacon solution. Meaning these are the ones that are already there that Bacon has found that you did not put there at the time that you join the device to Bacon. This is a great feature because it shows which configuration profiles are already there and what aspect, or what influence rather I should say, they're having on the product. Some additional features of the MDM or the settings MDM table is one, you can see basic configuration information, like is the profile signed? Is it removable by the user? What's the description? What's the unique identifier? Is there an organization associated with it? What is the device type? What's the target type? Number of endpoints, and so on and such forth. But some of the really great features here. Oh, and just like all other tables, you can turn on and off columns as needed, and also export this out to Excel. Let's say some of these profiles. Let's say you actually want to use this inside of Bacon. Right now, this is just an inventory list of what was found on your devices. In order to take, as you can see, I've kind of imported all of these already. If you want to take any one of these found profiles and use it inside of your Bacon MDM solution, you'd click Import. And the great thing about clicking Import is it now turns it from a piece of inactive inventory to, let's go to Profiles MDM. It now shows up in your MDM, Profiles MDM list. And from here, you can choose to view, deploy, remove, download, or sign the profile. Thank you so much for watching this baconbits video, where we discuss the settings MDM table, or the configuration profiles that are already installed on devices when they join your Bacon MDM network. Thank you so much. Have a bacony kind of day. Stay strong. Wait, no, that's not it. Stay salty, stay crispy, go bacon. Oh, failed exit.